Hello everyone, my name is Bolaji. I'm a product designer. If you're new to the channel, thank you for joining us, and if you have been around for a while, thank you guys. I really appreciate. So I just found this particular color generator called Huemint. So let's check it together. Huemint is an AI color palette generator. So basically, when you get to Huemint, you don't need to do too much. You can just play around different colors you want. Click on this particular part and play around as you want. Is either based on RGB, HSL, or S code, based on how you want it. So you can actually generate or come back to whatever you like. If you're okay with the previous one, you can generate more till you get what you're looking for. And again, this particular color generator is not just what you are seeing right now. So you can scroll down to see how it has been used on pattern, on a product. So you don't need to think so much whether this color will work for your products or for your projects. So that you've seen how it's being used already, so you can generate more. So you can check this left hand side and explore how it has been used on many things. The gradients part of it, gradient and background, illustration, bootstrap, basic and plus. You can see you're not just picking the what's it called, you're just picking the color to say. You are seeing other information about that particular color, how you can actually apply it on your design. You can see. So this is very useful. If you found this particular resource base very useful, and you see that this will actually help, don't forget to share with someone. And also you can actually upload your image, and through your image you can pick out some colors. Yes, you can use this, is very useful. We use this in Figma a lot, where we just use color picker to pick colors to say. So on Huemint, you can see you can generate as many up to 12 color code to say on a particular image you upload. You can actually drag down if you don't want up to a particular numbers of colors. So based on how you want it. So that's that. So guys, if you found this particular resource base very useful, don't forget to share with someone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch up with you later. Bye.